Come on. What do the directions say?
About what?
About attaching the microphone.
I think you have it right.
Okay. So you can turn it around. I can say, this is our new setup for shooting video to put on YouTube so that people know what we're doing.
I think you should be able to do selfie mode. Why are you not? Is it
I'm not sure that you can do selfie mode on the camera movie. You can take stills, but I don't think this is a movie lens on this side. But look at the fancy deal. This is a microphone. I'm turning the camera so that you cannot see it. Microphone, smartphone, cord, little handle to hold. So now I can walk around with the camera in my hand, and I guess it's moving around a lot though. We'll have to see what we can do with it. But stuff's happening. Getting ready to hit the road again. We've been in a house in Florida for how long?
A month, I think.
A month. And what are you looking for now?
Nothing. Nothing.
Shopping?
No.
You're not shopping?
I'm reading.
Now you're going to do one.
I'm gonna do it. I want to go swimming.
Can't go swimming. Got video to
I
end.
want to go swimming.
Nope.
I'm going swimming.
There's no swimming. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, where are we at? We're doing margarita flight and a red stripe. Looks delish.
Ready, and let's go.
Happy day.
Happy day.
Learn how to edit.
I learned how to edit and get video in and out of your computer.
Should be fun. And where are we at?
Bahamas something.
Bahama Breeze.
Bahama Breeze.
Very good. So we just missed happy hour. But I think this will make us happy in about an hour.
There you go.
Sign up. I forgot to mention we're here on Pam and Pat's suggestion.
Yeah, and I think it's because of the Appleton rum, which we don't drink, but we appreciate it.
So here we are. They just added that. So what do you think of the Caesar?
The dressing is very nice. The lettuce is a little wilty. Oh, it tastes good.
So that's the Caesar salad that I ordered.
That is now being consumed by your wife.
Who I like a lot. I really like you.
Yeah?
Yep.
Even though I steal your food?
It's okay. You give it back.
I do.
So I got the pepper on this salad because I like black pepper, but I forgot Beth doesn't. So she had to dig underneath the pepper to get a good bite for her. But I agree, it's a good salad.
Okay.
Just got back from Aldi. It looked like they had a bunch of stuff that we needed. That's what we do. We go shopping. Sorry, it's going to get dark here. Heading out to the garage to bother the wife. What are we looking for?
I'm just looking to see what all this stuff is.
She's hiding behind the stuff.
I'm hiding behind the stuff.
Are you looking for Halloween stuff?
Yeah. I can't believe I gave it up, but I must have done it.
I think we lost it in the fire.
Yeah.
It's an expression we have, lost it in the fire, is because it's easier to think of it that way when you go to get rid of your stuff. That, well, you went and grabbed everything that you could. What you didn't, what you couldn't grab, it got lost in the fire. So it kind of helps you to pare down your stuff a little bit. But all the Halloween stuff, if that's what you're looking for, are right up there in that orange box.
Yeah, I already got that done.
Oh, okay. Was there anything in there you could use?
No, I was looking for our giant blow-up black cat.
I think we lost that in the fire.
I believe we did.
Yep. So, okay. So, what did you think of Aldi?
And it was the same as any other Aldi we've ever been in.
Mm-hmm.
It was okay.
I think it was worth going.
I don't know if it's worth driving
It's just off brands.
all that far. And we still spent $100.
Can I say something?
Yes, dear.
Can we find a doctor closer?
No, there is no Aldi's closer.
So. Okay, cooking dinner. That's a chicken breast. I chopped up a little olive oil, a little bit of herbs de Provenance. That's fancy for French. Rice-a-roni. Right in here right now, kind of browning up, sauteing. It's in the consori, which is very close to a Instant Pot. So we're letting that brown up. Got some peas, got some water. Peas were frozen. I'm going to put them in the pot with the chicken and the herbs de Provenance. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know. I'm not French. I also have a supervisor. 2 supervisors. The other one's a sleeping dog.
She's not asleep.
She's asleep.
She's watching.
That's Madison, if you don't know. So she likes to eat the food. She doesn't like to prep the food. Kind of like both of my helpers over there. So.
Did you mention that you're impossible to cook with?
I'm impossible to cook with. So it's getting kind of brown. You can see it. The consori, in case you have one of these, or if you don't, it's set at saute. And that's to get it hot on the side. There's 2 tablespoons of butter and just the noodles from the rice-a-roni. So we're going to put the chicken in there after this is browned up a little bit more. It's almost there. And then we'll, sorry to spin you around like that. And then we'll set the timer on the consori pot for 10 minutes at high pressure. And then we'll do a quick release on it and it should be good to go. We're also gonna, I think we're having a salad tonight as well. So we're gonna have to make up some salads and we'll check in with you a little later on how the meal is progressing. Okay, we have added the chicken, which was sauteed in a little bit of olive oil and the herbs de Provenance. So that was in there for a couple minutes on the sauteed on the stove while we were sauteing the rice and the, I think you say it vermicelli. Is that correct, Beth? The vermicelli right here in the pot. And then I added the flavor pack from the rice-a-roni and a cup and a half of peas, frozen peas. It's still on saute right now. I want it to kind of warm up a little bit. And then I'm going to put it on high pressure for about 10 minutes. And we'll let it run and then do the quick release method. So give it a minute to warm up. I'll put the cover on and we'll check back in when it's all done. Okay, 10 minutes is up. We shut it off. I still have the steam on here. I have to quick release it. I like to put a paper towel over the top and then release with the tongs. Just till the steam kind of starts getting out of there. Because otherwise it just blows up all the way to the ceiling. Those of you who have been keeping track of the time, don't forget it takes a couple minutes to heat up before it starts that time function. So now I'll give this a little twist. Let all that pressure release. Flip the light on here in the kitchen. Yeah, that's a little better, huh? All right. So the little pressure relief valve has dropped down. That means I can open up the top. I like to let it sit a little bit longer. And then we got, you can see here, we got lock and unlock. And right now we're locked, so we're going to unlock that. Grab the handle, turn it. Makes that cool little noise. And then I always take it off and try to tip it away from me. Give it a little rattle. You see it gets steam and stuff coming off at the bottom. And let's see what we got here. Looks like peas and rice. And the chicken has disappeared. No, this little stir here. Looks pretty yummy. And we'll let it cool off for a little bit before we dish it up. But it's pretty easy. Looked like it came out pretty good. We'll see how it tastes. And we made a nice salad to go with it. And there's also Skittles and Starburst and some Lifesavers. Because tomorrow's Halloween. So we're not going to have those with dinner, I don't think, are we? No. No. Says a disembodied voice from beyond. So she's hiding over. Hiding over there. That's my woman.
Yep.
So, all right, you ready to eat?
Ready.
All right, let's do it. The chicken came out pretty good. Beth and I both liked it. We had a serving apiece, just like a big scoop of it, and kind of figured out what the calories were and all that. It was pretty reasonable. I think it came out to like 400 calories per serving when you figure out all the chicken and all that. And Beth had made the comment that mushrooms might have been good to add. I didn't think of it. So if you have mushrooms, that might be a good one to add. And here's kind of the recipe. I just wrote it out real quick. It's not precise, but you know, it's just basically put the chicken in the pot. So that was dinner tonight, and hopefully I can get this video done, and we'll post it. That's it. We'll talk to you later.